What's going on today, guys? Alan here for another video, and today I'm super excited to do kind of an unboxing. I kind of got a little excited and already opened it, but what we are going to be doing today is unboxing this little package I got here from ShopDap. So just the other day, Paul messaged me on Facebook and said, hey, got something for you. Would you be interested in wheel spacers for your MK7 GTI? And I was like, yeah, let's do this. So get in here, and first thing I opened up, I've already opened this. I was super excited to see what I got, but we got a t-shirt already, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go, look at that. So represent ShopDap. We got another one here with the DAP University here with the Certified Mechanic YouTube on the back. That's really cool. I'll definitely be rocking these, Paul. Thank you for that. Oh, and look at this. Paul sent over some Fun Dip. Oh yeah. God, I haven't eaten these since I was a kid, so you know I'm going to be eating some of this. But what you guys are actually here for is for all the stickers they send you. I'm kidding. But they actually did send a crap load of stickers, so I'll be putting these all over the garage, all over my car. Appreciate it. Also got a lanyard, and we've got a ShopDap little keychain here. Very cool. Thank you. But now, on to what you guys are actually here for, the wheel spacers. So, ShopDap just came out with these. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at the detail. See if we can focus on that. Yeah, ShopDap.com right on there. Nice. So what these are this is actually the Flush Kit, the new Flush Kit from ShopDap.com. Super excited to run these. These, I believe, are for the rear. These are the 20mm spacers. Attached are also the 15mm spacers, also with the ShopDap going across there. Very cool. I'm excited to put these on and get rid of that terrible fitment that the MK7 GTIs have. Also included, guys, is the wheel bolts that we need, so that's very nice that they include that. This is just like a one big stop, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, I'm going to go and take some photos, some before photos, so you guys can see that. I'll insert those here. So now you guys can see what the GTI looked like prior, so let's go ahead and get this started and see what this thing looks like. If you guys are running the stock wheels like I am still, you're going to get this little piece out of your little kit back there to change your tire, in case you have a spare, or need to use your spare. But these little black pieces just pop right out by using that, kind of shove it in there, pull right out. Pull those all off, and then when you get to this point, you're just going to go ahead and kind of quickly loosen these up. I'm going the right way, right? At this point, we're just going to go ahead and jack up the car, get everything situated so that way it's on there properly. If you guys haven't ever jacked up your car, check out the video, probably up here in this corner here. Paul did an excellent video showing you the jack points on the Volkswagen GTI, so that way you guys can do this without messing up your rocker panels like mine are. And no, mine's not from doing that. Also, I'm going to be doing is rotating my tires this time. You guys probably should be doing it kind of about every oil change is about the right method of where and time you should be doing it, but I've kind of neglected mine, haven't been doing it the way I should have been doing it, which is kind of bad because the GTI has a little bit more camber than any other car that I've owned before, so hopefully not too much wear. I do plan on getting other wheels here soon, so if you guys have recommendations on what you think I should get, definitely drop them down in the comments section. Let me know what wheels you guys like. I know most of the GTI group guys I've seen running the new speeds. I've seen a lot of rotiform, and I've got a soft spot for rotiform, so who knows, we might be rocking rotiforms on this, we might be rocking new speeds, or we might go a completely different direction, but you guys have to stay tuned to find out. Hint hint, nudge nudge. Alright, actually wasn't too bad taking those off. I was expecting that to be a lot worse. Alright guys, at this time you're going to take your spacer. You guys can see the little bit of a difference between the front, which is here, and the back. It's a little bit thicker on the back. These are the... So that way you guys can go ahead and just stick that on. It should just line up pretty easy just like that. What's neat about these, it does have the little lip right where, so this will sit on there. I love that about this. I was worried about spacers because I didn't want to have to like put it on there and like hopefully it not spin and do stuff like that. This is pretty nice. It just fits right on there, and it should make mounting that other wheel a whole lot easier. So just like that, we're gonna go ahead and do the front side, get that all put up, and we'll go ahead and check back in and see what this thing looks like after we do that. Alright guys, we're going to put the front spacer on. Make sure you guys are using the right one. Like I said, this will be the smaller of the two. It just kind of easily slides on just like that. You want to make sure you get it lined up with the correct holes, just like that. And be careful when you are putting the wheel on. It's not going to like, it doesn't sit as easy as like what it did on this one, where you have a little bit more lever, it works a little better, like holds it. Don't want the wheel to fall off in your lap or anything like that, so I'm going to be just doing that and kind of lining up the wheel with it. And then I'm going to have my wife help me put another bolt in at the same time, so that way it makes it a little bit easier. It's easier to have 3 hands than just 2, and we'll go ahead and do that now. That's good. Where do I do my wrench? Should be good. Thank you. As you can see, guys, I'm not going all the way tight with these. I'll tighten them again and torque them down once I actually get the car on the ground. But for now, I'm just kind of getting them pretty snug, just so they don't fall off the actual spacer itself there. And as I said, I don't have an actual wrench, so I'm using the stock one. So I don't have an actual wrench, guys. So what I'm actually using, like I said earlier, is just the spare tire changing kit. Don't think that you can't just use one of these. I'm definitely just using this until I get my own set. And then we'll just kind of snug those up real quick, just a little bit. Kind of go in that star pattern. And there we go. And we'll go ahead and lower the car down, see what this thing looks like. That fitment though definitely sits a lot more flush. Obviously it's sitting up a little bit higher because I do have the e-brake still pulled, but let me move that down a little bit for you guys. But yeah, it looks a lot better. Look how nice it looks right up against the side. Looks really good in the front. I like that a lot. So we'll go ahead and tighten these up. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on the next side. Alright guys, so it's been a few days since we've actually installed the wheel spacers, and I will have to say, one, sorry, my car is absolutely a wreck. It decided to rain as I was driving my car to the location that I was planning on filming the rest of this video. So unfortunately, we got a little dirty, but take a look how she looks. This fitment is just like perfect. I absolutely love it. If you guys are in the market for getting some wheel spacers for your GTI or Golf R, I totally recommend getting them from Deutsche Auto Parts. I want to say a huge thank you to Paul over at Deutsche Auto Parts for hitting me up and asking if I'd be interested in these. I'm absolutely in love. You guys made it super easy, and I've never had, I don't know if you guys have experienced this before, but I haven't had customer service as quick and as like good as Deutsche Auto Parts when it comes to getting parts. I know I ordered oil for my car and it was there within 2 days, free shipping, no big deal. So I will definitely keep my business with Deutsche Auto Parts. Super awesome company to work with. Now I will say, as you guys can probably see, as I mentioned, it did rain, so the side of my car is a wreck. So if you guys are worried about your paint, don't want to worry about having mud kicked up the side, you might want to look into some kind of mud flaps for the GTI. Me, as I've said before, I'm not a big fan of it. Unfortunately, I am going to have to deal with this, but hopefully it won't be as bad. Like I said, I just drove it out in the rain, and I was also driving it up and down here, finishing another video for you guys. So that's another reason why it's a little bit muddy back there. So that's maybe another reason why I got as much kicked up as I do. But That might be something you guys want to look into. Who knows, I might be doing something with that later. But back to the actual quality of these things, guys. Absolutely amazing. Kind of see them poking out back down there. Super, like I said, super easy install. They look great. They match up perfectly with the fender wells. And I just can't, I don't have anything bad to say about them. They're super comfortable while driving down the road. It's just been absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna actually end the video there, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button down here. Also ring that bell if you're interested in getting a notification every time I post. If you're not, I don't know, let me know what you think of the video. Hit me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you just didn't like the video at all. But thanks again. It's actually starting to rain, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video now. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. We'll see you in the next one.